Hi, good morning to everyone. Hi, good morning. How are you? Good, nice, nice, nice. Are you staying at home? Good, good. Stay at home, stay at home, right? This is Dr. A. Venkateshwara Naidu, working as Associate Professor in Department of English, Wits Kaval. Today I would like to explain you word formation, how words are derived, how new words are formed. We know that words are very, very important. We use words for speaking, we use words to write, for speaking. So, words are made up of letters. Sentences are made up of words. Paras are made up of sentences. So, this is very very important topic. Please all of you focus on word formation. It's a very simple and easiest topic. No need of worry. Let me explain. Word forms. The formation of words. How new words are formed. We have different and different methods to form, to coin new words from the base words, from the root words. So, word forms in English, a word may have different forms. In English, a word may have different forms. A word will be derived in different ways. Understand? For example, she is a beautiful girl. She is a beautiful girl. Beautiful is an adjective. What is the part of speech of the or beautiful, beautiful and adjective? The video in the previous video lecture I told you that in English all words are divided into how many categories? 8 categories, 8 classes based on the work they do in a sentence. Okay, no need of remember you again. So beautiful is an adjective. It's a word. It is a content word. Next, her beauty attracted the audience. See the same word beautiful. The first sentence is adjective. When we come to second sentence, her beauty attracted the audience. Here the beauty is noun. Since a particular word may have different functions on different occasions, so its parts of speech also will change. Please mind one thing. Since a particular word may have different functions on different occasions, so their parts of speech also will be changed. Here in the first sentence, she is beautiful girl, beautiful adjective. In the second sentence, her beauty attracted the audience. Beauty is a noun. The room is decorated beautifully is an adverb. See, is an adverb. According to the function of a word, beauty, the word beauty, beauty in the sentence we have used it in different forms. So what I am telling you, my dear students, all the words, each and every word in English must belong to any one of the 8 classes. Just I have told you. But we have a few words. The words will have different and different functions on different occasions. The function of a word on different occasions on context will be changed. When the function of a word will be changed, the part of speech of the same word will also change. Will also change. So I drink water every day. I drink water every day. Here water is a noun. Water is a noun. I water plants every day. See the word water is a verb. The part of speech of the word will be changed. Understand? Sometimes you can look at the word and guess its parts of speech. For example, if a word ends in tion, ation, it is probably a noun. See, the words which are ending in tion, ation are most of the words ending with tion and ation are the nouns like examination, nation, creation, fiction, etc. known as nouns. Understand? If a word ends in tion, ation are nouns. The teacher's selection of questions is usually good. What is the part of speech of selection? Selection is a noun. How can you say selection is a noun? Noun will be used in place of a subject. Besides this, it is ending in tion. So it's a noun. The action of the police was very rapid. The action is a noun. It is ending tion. The teacher will give us examination. Examination is a noun. If you want to use these three words as verbs instead of nouns, you must change the word form. If you want to use the three words like selection, action, examination instead of nouns, you must change the word form. The verb forms are select, act, examine. See, selection is a noun. What is the verb form of selection? Select. Action is a noun. What is the verb form of action? Act. Examination is a noun. What is the verb form of examination? Examine. Selection, select, action, act, examination, examine. Please, I want to repeat you. If you want to use these three words as verbs instead of nouns, you must change the word form. The word form. The verb forms are select, act, and examine. Please mind it. I hope you understand. Nothing to worry, nothing too difficult. Word forms. Suffixes can be used to create 4 of 8 parts of speech. So we have 8 parts of speech, 4 of 8 parts of speech. When we add suffix, what is suffix? We have suffixes and prefixes. Suffix, what is suffix? Something, a group of letters which is added at the end of a word is known as a suffix. Like care, care is a root word. Careful, F-U-L, full is added to care, the root word care. Full is known as suffix. Suffix is something which is added to the end of a word. The words will be formed by using, the new words will be formed by using suffixes, prefixes, etc. Suffixes can be used to create 4 of the 8 parts of speech, like 4 verbs, adjectives, adverbs, nouns. Like adjective, verb, adverb, noun. Adjective is final, the verb is finalize, the adverb is finally, noun is finalization. This is the formation of the word. Please listen. Final adjective, finalize verb, adverb, finally, finalization is a noun. Word forms, verb endings. Word forms and verb endings. See ending. If verb is ending in ate, to cause, to become, to supply, with. So example is motivate, exonerate. The verb is ending in en, like darken, lighten. Example. To make something have a certain quality. Darken, lighten. If verb is ending in ify, to cause or make into something. Identify, solidify, unify. The verb is ending in ije, to become, meaning become. Ije means become. Generalize, finalize. Word forms and adjective endings. So far we have discussed verbs ending in the following order. Now we are going to discuss, now we are going to know word forms, adjectives endings. If an adjective is ending in able, eble. Example is comfortable, reversible. The meaning is having a particular quality. Having a particular quality. When we come to adjective ending in al, musical, occasional, of, related to something. Adjective ending in an, ian, American, vegetarian, relating to someone, something from place, relating to someone who has a certain knowledge or belief. Adjectives ending in a and t and t. Defiant, persistent. The having the quality, meaning is having the quality. Adjective ending in ARY, meaning is belonging, meaning is belonging. Adjective ending in ATE, meaning is having, containing, having to do with something. Compassionate is example. Adjectives ending in AT, IVE, IT, IVE. The meaning is having the quality of talkative or primitive. Adjectives ending in ED, past participle, confused. Adjectives ending in en, past participle, stolen, written. Adjectives ending in en, made of wooden. Adjectives ending in ese, of a country, Chinese. Adjectives ending in ful, full of, beautiful. Adjectives ending in ic, of relating to a particular thing, periodic. Please you see the table. Please for you. For 10 seconds, I keep the slide for you. Thank you very much. Have you understood? Let us move. Word forms adverb endings. Ending ly. Adverbs ending in ly. When in a particular way or at times. Easily, occasionally. Example. Not all words that end in ly are adverbs. Word form example. Early adjective. Gary is in his early 20s. Daily adjective. Our library subscribes to our 4 daily newspapers. Adverb. Kumiko exercises daily. Oily adjective. Irma does not like oil foods. Lonely adjective. Ronald was a very lonely child. Friendly adjective. He is such a friendly person. All forms are noun endings. Ending. Nouns ending al. If noun ending in al, meaning is the act of doing something. Rehearsal, Daniel. Nouns ending in ence, ance, cy. Action, process, quality, confidence, performance. Nouns ending in ent, someone, something that does something. President, resident. Nouns ending in er, or, ar, someone or something that does something. Teacher, elevator, register, writer. Nouns ending in wood, having quality of state meaning. Brotherhood, childhood. Nouns ending in ity, having quality, equality, speciality. All forms noun endings. Today's topic, all forms. Now let us see all forms are noun endings. tion, nouns ending in tion. It means act, result of doing something. Attention, impression. Nouns ending in ism, a belief, set of ideas. Capitalism. Ist, a person who performs a specific action. A person with certain beliefs. Typist, capitalist. Nouns ending in ment, result of doing something, a place of action. Development, department. Nouns ending in ness, state or condition. Happiness. Nouns ending in ure, meaning is an act or process. Words are failure or pleasure. Nouns ending in ship, a state of quality, an art of skill. Friendship, sportsmanship. Please hope you understand. Please see the slide. I advise you see the slide again, once again. Please you see the slide. Let us move. Word forms. Sometimes the same word spelling is used for a different number of parts of speech. Different number of parts of speech. Adjective, verb, adverb, noun. Photographic. Verb is photograph. Adverb is photographically. Noun is photograph. English is adjective. There is no verb. There is no adverb for English. Noun is English. Importance. Understanding different word forms will help you to understand complex sentences when reading. Understand different vocabulary, different word forms will help us understand complex sentences when reading. What are the complex sentences? One main class, one or two or more subordinate clauses are connected by subordinating conjunctions are known as complex sentences. Let me explain you with one example. Though he saw that when he saw tiger, he ran away. Saw tiger, he ran away. When he saw the tiger, he ran away. When he saw tiger, he ran away. So when is a subordinating conjunction? When is a subordinating conjunction? In spite of working hard, he failed in the examination. He worked hard, but he failed in the examination. Though he worked hard, but he failed in the examination. Though he worked hard, he failed in the examination. It's a complex sentence. Write more varied sentences. Write more effective paraphrases. For these purposes, we use the word forms. The word forms will help us to understand complex sentences, to write more varied sentences, to write more effective paraphrases. No. Knowing the part of speech you need to use in a sentence. Noun, and suffixes used for each part of speech will help you avoid word from errors. Tips for word formation. Ask yourself if you need a word to name an object, express an action, describe an object, or modify an action. Description when deciding what part of speech you need in a sentence. Name an object, noun. An action, verb. An object, adjective. Modify an action, description, adverb. Word forms. Let us look at these examples. Siberia has a sustainable number of nature resources. Second language readers are very limited vocabulary knowledge. Hinders their ability to make fully use of context clues as well as. Politics debates are part of democratic process. Olympics class must be very accurate to be useful. Thank you very much. The word formation are very important. I hope you understand the word formation. If any one of you has any doubt, please contact me. Please you take the first BTech English textbook and see the word forms are given in the textbook. Thank you very much.